Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Elistria. So I wanted to pop in really quick and just show you guys what I do really quick for a quick weeknight meal. So I am sauteing up some mushrooms and some sweet peppers. I'm going to dice up some onion and some bell peppers, and I'm going to put that on top of a potato, and then I'm going to make a salad. So I'll let you guys see how I work through that, okay? Be right back. Okay, you guys, so I have added my peppers. I've added the onions and the red peppers, so I'm going to let that saute up. I'm going to season it up real good, and I'll show you guys the seasonings that I'm adding on. Add in some sea salt, some pink Himalayan sea salt, some smoked, yes, smoked black pepper. I'm going to add in some coriander, some paprika, some some cumin. Yes, that's gonna bring it together. Some cumin. I'm gonna put that all in there. Might even add a little bit of balsamic. How about that? So I'll bring you guys right back. Okay, guys, so here is a quick view of everything that I am putting into my grilled or pan seared veggies that's going to go on top of my potato. I may or may not make the salad. I don't know. It's getting late and this is supposed to be a quick weeknight meal because I still have to make the dressing. We'll see, but this is what I am putting in. Bring you back. Okay, guys, so here's all the seasonings right here on top. You guys know that I do not measure. I cook like grandmama and them, so I don't know. I just say add to your taste. How about that? It's going to taste good. I know that. So I'll bring you back. Okay, guys, so I'm back. I have finished sauteing up all my veggies, and I am going to use the same flavors that I used on my veggies for my potato to make my salad dressing. So what I'm going to add is honey, and I'm also going to add vinegar, and I'm going to add in some mustard as an emulsifier. The honey is just to add a little bit of sweetness so it's not so tart and tangy, but that's just a personal preference. You definitely do not have to do that. So when I make salad dressing, I always keep one of these condiment bottles on hand. So I'm just going to add everything into here. You guys know that I don't measure. I just add it until it's the consistency that I desire. So it'll probably be like a teaspoon or less of everything. And then I'll add in a good probably teaspoon or more of mustard, a little bit less of honey, and then vinegar and oil, and that's going to be my vinaigrette. So I'll show you guys how it turns out. Okay, you guys, I shook and shook and shook, and this is what we have. Vinaigrette. On to the salad. Okay, guys, here we are. These are the components of my salad to make my life a lot easier. I have some spring mix that's ready to go. Some grape tomatoes, English cucumber, Greek peppers, yes, praise him. Some peeled Kalamata olives, glory to the Most High King, and a good red onion. So I'm going to put this together and we're going to put it all together for you. Hold on. Okay, guys, here is my salad with my delicious, vinaigrette. Bless the Lord. Yes. All that goodness. So I'm going to put my potato together and then I'll show you. Okay, you guys. So sorry about that. That was weird. So here we are. I have finished my meal. I have a wonderful salad with some awesome vinaigrette. And I have a good steamy baked potato. I added my sauteed veggies down and mushed up my potato, added some good olive oil on top, and this is dinner. So it's a quick weeknight meal. Took me about less than 20 minutes, only because I hadn't pre-prepped my veggies. So but with your veggies already prepped, this could take you very little time to get done. And I had to make my salad dressing. Normally I would have that made ahead of time. So Thank you guys for tuning in. I hope this was helpful. It is going to be delicious. If you partake in croutons, you could add croutons to this. You could add some seeds or some nuts. I had some earlier, so I'm not in the mood for that right now. Some crispy onions, whatever you would like. You know what I say, it's your thing. Do what you want to do. So this is my dinner. So I hope it was helpful and it gave you some inspiration. As always, thank you guys for watching. Be blessed, eat well, and I'll see you next time. Love you. Take care. Bye.